Hey guys, I'm Emiline, aka Winterstar Cosplay, and for a long time I've been making mini cosplay tutorials, which I've been posting to my cosplay Instagram, Winterstar Cosplay. But for this video, I decided to go back and remake a bunch of those, except in video format. So today for you, I have a ton of different cosplay tutorials for working with EVA foam for cosplay, whether it's for making armor, props, weapons, or something else. And if you do like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future cosplay content. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first mini tutorial I have for you is how to add battle damage to EVA foam. First, you're going to need a sharp knife and make some quick scoring cuts to the foam, not cutting all the way through. Then you can take a heat gun and run it over the entire surface of the foam until it is completely heated up and the cuts open up, making some nice, super cool battle damage. The second mini tutorial I have is adding detail to EVA foam using a hot glue gun. You can do all sorts of things with hot glue, from making swirling details and rivets to even mimicking metal or even a wooden texture. It's a very versatile material, and hot glue can be used for a lot more than just gluing foam together. This third tutorial is a very helpful one, especially if you work with EVA foam a lot. It can be hard to draw on top of black foam, but using something like a silver Sharpie or marker is super handy. This next tutorial is another great way to add raised details to EVA foam. It is done with a material called 3D puffy paint that you usually use to draw on fabric, but it works super great with foam as well. And then you can just prime and paint it after it's dried like any other EVA foam or detailing tool. This next tutorial is another method for adding detail to EVA foam by heating up the foam and using a thin metal detailing tool like this stylus or just a normal pin to press in details into the foam. This is a great way to get lots of different kinds of details, whether they're small holes, rivets, or even just swirling details like the ones that I'm doing here. I've used it to mimic stitches, swirling details, and all sorts of things. In this next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a leather effect by using aluminum foil. First, crumple up a ball of aluminum foil. Next, heat up the foam thoroughly and then use the aluminum foil to press in the texture into the foam. This creates a super nice, realistic looking leather effect for a fraction of the cost of what real leather or pleather might be. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a piece of foam hold a curve. Now, you can just heat up a piece of foam and hold it in a curved shape until it cools down, and while it will hold that shape, it's a bit loose and can come apart really easily. So, a great way to make it stay in a curved shape is to get another smaller piece of foam and glue it to the inside of the larger curve, holding it in a more curved shape while it dries. And when the glue dries, it will help hold the foam in that shape, keeping it in a curved form much more neatly than it would without it. Next, I'm going to show you how to fill in cracks and seam lines in EVA foam using a product called Quick Seal, which you can find in the hardware or plumbing sections of a store. This comes in a long tube and it squeezes out a bit like toothpaste. All you need to do is smooth it into the crack or seam that you're trying to fill in until the seam is completely filled, and then get your finger a little bit damp with some water to smooth it out even more. So that is all of the mini cosplay tutorials I have for you today, but if you did like this video, again, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future content. And if you did enjoy this video, let me know in the comments below so that I can maybe make a part 2 sometime in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys next time.